Axie Infinity, the monster-preventing game, has set unbelievable requirements within the gaming ecosystem currently. In reality, AXS price has skyrocketed for the reason that crypto groups started mainstream adoption on the charts. Hello and welcome to our daily crypto events. In today's video, we are going to break down all the reasons why we think Shiba Inu is going to replace Axie Infinity. Sounds good? Before moving further, let me share that we're giving away $25 by the end of next month to our one random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. There are many causes for the loss in the worth of AXS. However, the inconspicuous charge of development and improvement exercises seems to be the key impediment. In the previous few days, Axie servers had been down on several occasions on account of errors and misplaced connections, leading to gamers leaving the game. In reality, they've additionally complained about it on social media platforms like Twitter. As could be seen from the graphic, the event exercise index solely exhibits a price of 0.5 at the time of writing. Notably, the index crossed 1.5 occasions on several occasions in May, and the low ranges of exercise talked about above recommend that engineers aren't devoting themselves to fixing network-centric issues. Additionally, the variety of commits on GitHub dropped from 1,000 on July 19th to 920 on August 6th. Worse than data on Sentiment famous that the variety of lively builders on the community remained zero between July 19th and July 21st. However, it's worth noting that AXS is recovering barely at the time of writing, with one developer nonetheless lively. The complete variety of day-by-day lively customers has increased by greater than 233% for the reason at the end of July. The game had 900,000 gamers in the final month. The quantity might proceed to say no within the coming weeks. However, it needs to be known that a rise within the quantity will put further stress on servers. In addition, rising the variety of gamers doesn't essentially have a constructive impact on different on-chain metrics. AXS common trade dimension broke the psychological barrier of $200,000 in July. However, the index has to date stagnated at around $8,000. At the identical time, the trading quantity of the token additionally decreased. The index noticed a random surge of as much as $60 million within the June-July interval and is now down to only $45,000 at press time. On the other hand, Shiba Inu has been showing positive results since it arrived in the crypto market. Hype is a big deal in the crypto market, and Shiba Inu has it. While its price had dropped significantly since April, Shiba Inu is one of the most searched for cryptocurrencies on social media and search engines. The reason is its large and vibrant community that's always making sure that Shiba Inu stands out in a crowded market of over 6,000 coins and tokens. This community makes SHIB a worthy crypto buy now and holds for the rest of 2021. That's because the prices of meme coins tend to gain traction as the broader market starts to gain bullish momentum. This is happening now, with the overall market capitalization back at over $2.3 trillion from June lows of under $1.4 trillion. Several altcoins have already retested their all-time highs, but the most significant market mover, Bitcoin, is yet to. Bitcoin is now at $50,000, and there is every indication that it could retest its all-time highs within 2021. If this happens and it starts rallying towards $100,000, the entire market will rally, and FOMO could see hype coins like SHIB make new all-time highs. That's because many people can't afford Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the other top cryptos but want to profit from the market. For such investors, low-cost coins like Shiba Inu offer a perfect alternative for exponential gains without having to commit tens of thousands of dollars. Besides support from the broader market, Shiba Inu is making much progress in technology development and adoption. These are factors that add to investor confidence in this crypto. Shiba Inu currently has a market cap of around $3.5 billion and is marketing itself as a killer of Dogecoin, another popular meme coin. Both of these cryptocurrencies were started as a joke by the developers and currently hold a significant market capitalization in the crypto industry. However, Shiba Inu has to climb a long chart to get close to Dogecoin, which has a massive market cap of $30.6 billion. Both cryptocurrencies are at their highest for the first 2 weeks of May 2021. Interestingly, SHIBASwap plays around with the terminology used on the portal because actions like staking tokens are called bury. Taking advantage of the coin meme image that Shiba Inu has, the portal has been kept very simple and quite humorous. Other actions involving Shiba Inu coins are named after their dog-like terms and tantrums. This was probably done to mock competitor Dogecoin, which has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Although the Shiba Inu is still relatively new, that means not much is known about the cryptocurrency and its legitimacy. The Shiba Inu coin seems to have been created to give Dogecoin a race for money. Called SHIB, the Shiba token is listed and promoted on ShibaSwap, the cryptocurrency's decentralized exchange platform. Earlier this month, the value of SHIB increased to $0.000000977, with a huge increase from the low of $0.0000006 in mid-April according to CoinMarketCap. SHIB is valued at $0.0008535 at press time on June 7th. Claiming to be the Doge killer of the old Dogecoin cryptocurrency, SHIB has seen widespread growth in the market. Fans and investors are sure now, SHIB's Doge, he wonders if he'll allow it to the moon and hit $1. According to analysts, SHIB is likely to hit the $1 level. However, this may take some time as it's unlikely to happen overnight. According to a rough estimate after analyzing current market trends, the self-proclaimed Doge killer could reach $0.00085 by the end of June 2021, according to forecasters. If the trend continues to the upside, the cost of SHIB could rise to $0.0003 by January 2022. According to the same calculations, there is a small chance that the coin will hit $1 by 2025. However, according to other reports, SHIB is booming as some analysts predict the price could double shortly. This way indeed, it can reach $0.0001816, the continuation of which coincides with a 27.2% Fibonacci extension, which will bring SHIB into a dollar sign. If you're an investor, you must have heard of Dogecoin, an internet currency that has turned from a joke to a force to be reckoned with. With the low price of Shiba Inu, investors can risk the equivalent of the cost of a fast food lunch. Therefore, it should also be noted about the Shiba Inu coin, for which it has a dedicated online fanbase. The low price and extremely limited usefulness of the Shiba Inu coins make subreddit with about 30 Facebook groups and 172,000 members quite good. The SHIB price increased from $0.000000279 to $0.0001897. The trading volume increased from $367.4 million to $6.1 billion, and according to CoinMarketCap, it immediately lifted the market cap from close to zero to $0.2 billion. Factors like these are the major costs for investors to look at Shiba as something valuable for their future in the crypto market. And hence, Shiba Inu is nothing less than a threat to Axie Infinity as well as other cryptocurrencies playing in the market. Well, we hope that Axie Infinity develops something more than its entertained value to keep itself in the competition for upcoming years. Before ending this, please note that cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely new value. The information provided in this video is not investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not consider any such content. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Well, that was today's video, guys. Thanks a ton for watching it. Let us know how you liked it in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we bring more intriguing content to your screens. Till then, stay healthy, stay hungry. Peace. Hungry.